Welcome to Christ College Riboy. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills but Chairperson, District Disaster Management Authority, Kong RM Kurbah, kalau Bthah iki Paidbah banlong ki ba Husiar bat petngor haba jur ulaba haba tir uperthat bat kaleli khamtam menta balapoi ka Aiom Islam. Ha ka jingkentu Paidbah Public Advisory ka Deputy Commissioner kala kentu ban bu bhai ki tiar kitar ki mar ki mata bat ban penskem ki tunum yeng ban light na ka jing sha lit bat jing sha rong ha ka eryong. La Bthah ru ladawan ka jing thaba kaleli ka bajur bat ban Islam kiar na kajing pendankam ki tiar elektrik kum ki mobile, isteri, radio, television, heater, bat ki wei ki tiar ki ba pendankam da Khubor elektrik. La Bthah ru ikinong song banlong ki ba pikir bat yada yaladi na marha bajur uslap kan bun kajing shlei ka bajur haki yeng kisem ki badan harut wa ni kinala ki ba he. Hakani Khubor slap lakan tu ki Paidbah ban kiar na kajing yat lengba ya ki wa na marka umsaw kala banwan ha kanu ka khlipmat badrong ya ki briu. Lakan turu ki Paidbah wat jam ki wa doi ki wa ba bat ki kshat ha Khubor bajur slap na mar amtip lepa ya Khubor chaka ka ba ikumba jendong henre ka tuj stat bat kala apat ban penkelon ya ki briu. Ya kinonya akali la Bthah ban kiar na ki surok ki bashlei na ki post elektrik ban light na kanu ka jingma bat jing ban saw. La karpad ru ki Paidbah ban dial hau ni number iwei ar la da ja badon kinu ki jingja badon kam bat bakerki.